have one planet, do we have planet B? In September 2015, 193 heads of state pledged their commitment to implement the Sustainable Development Goals by 2030. Friends, these Sustainable Development Goals are not just theoretically designed. They are designed for the future. They are designed for the sustainable future despite vast differences on religion, values, and cultural frames. The national leaders have agreed to focus on common needs over short-sighted indifferences. The world has yet to truly understand and appreciate the unprecedented act of unity and leadership formalized by the signing of the SDGs to be achieved by 2030. I, Rishabh Kumar Sawan-Sukha, on behalf of the organizer, Max Growth Consulting, UNGSII Foundation, SS Sujalam Suflam Foundation, TIOL, and Bridge Street India, formally welcome you all who have participated in this global e-meeting on SDG, and also to those people who are listening to the live streaming of the program on YouTube and Facebook. I humbly welcome our keynote speaker of the day today. Let me introduce you with her. Sister Jayanti Kriplani Didi ji from Brahma Kumaris World Spiritual University, UK. As a director of Brahma Kumaris for Europe and the Middle East, a spiritual leader and a teacher for 50 years, Sister Jayanti Didi ji has dedicated her life to self-transformation and service to humanity. Brahma Kumaris is an international non-governmental organization of United Nations accredited with general consultative status with the Economic and Social Council, and Sister Jayanti Didi ji has been the organization's representative to the United Nations in Geneva since 1982. She has championed the cooperative role of spiritual organization in creating a just and peaceful world. She has brought spiritual principle to the discussion table of politicians, economists, business leaders, scientists, and nearly every stakeholder of our times. Sister Jayanti sees the erosion of spiritual values as the underlying cause of the crisis that the world is facing today. Then we have our guest of honor today, Shri Prem Singh Tamang, Honorable Chief Minister of State of Sikkim, who is representing a state leading in the world in terms of complying with SDG goals. He will be presenting the exemplary work done by his state. We have a special message from Shri Subrat Pathak, Member of Parliament from Kannauj, spreading fragrance in the whole world. Now I will give you the program brief a little before we start the session today. Firstly, we'll have the keynote speech by Sister Jayanti Kriplani Didi ji. Then we will have a special guest of honor speech from our Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim State. And after that, Mr. Mayank Sani will moderate the expert panel in having Mr. Ronald Shahs, founder UNGSI Foundation, Vienna, Austria. Mr. Anis Asgar, Chief Investment Officer, UNGSI Foundation, London, UK. Alfred Berkeley, former President, NASDAQ, Washington, DC, USA. Ms. Antje Beiber, Member of Managing Board, Ferry, Frankfurt, Germany. Ms. Lucy E. Wormley, Chief Operating Officer, Erfina Capital, Zurich, Switzerland. Mr. ML Mantu, Founder, LFPCL and SS Sujalam Suflam Foundation, India. Then we will have a short presentation on large integrated wasteland development projects by Mr. Mantu. His last 45 years of work in rural and agri, and his distributed ownership model can actually meet all the 17 SDG goals. He will show how. I welcome all distinguished participants from large corporates, NGO, government organization, CSR heads of reputed company. We have been kept interactive Q&A for you. You can use the chat box, interact with each other. And thank you again for TIOL as our media partner, a fiscal media for last 20 years. Now on behalf of SS Sujalam Suflam and all the host expert panelists, I, Rishabh Sawan-Sukha, cordially welcome our keynote speaker of the event, Brahma Kumaris Sister Jayanti Kriplani Didi ji, to kindly address the August gathering from various countries in this Zoom room today with your views and vision where planet and profit can coexist sustainably, which is also the theme of our meeting today. Thank you. Over to you.